Today I'm going to show you how to import data into ClickUp. So the two ways that you can do this is going into one of your projects. I'm going to jump into project 2. And let's say that we would like to add in to one of our projects some data. We're going to import via list. And list allows you to see different lists in over here. And if you click on the plus icon, you can go ahead and type in files. You can go to click on files, give it a name. So let's say import data. And here are some additional settings and permissions that you can add in over here. But ultimately you want to say create. You've now added in this over here, import data, which I named it. And here for task 1, let's say perhaps we would like to add some files. Click on this. It'll allow you now to upload a file from your device, from Dropbox, OneDrive, SharePoint, Box, Google Drive, or add in a new Google Doc, or you can just drop it in over here. However you do this, go ahead, click on one of the options. We've got a file coming in over here. You can see it's at 0% being uploaded. That's the name of the file. And quite shortly, you will see that it's 100%. And that file will be added in over here, right? Now, this is all fantastic, and this is only for one specific task. But let's say we want to upload or import data on a larger scale for our entire team. Let's go up to our name over here. You'll see, for me, it says how to harbor, and we're going to come down here, look for settings. And within settings, you're going to come down and you're going to scroll and look for imports and exports. Here you can import from a spreadsheet or a document. This would be on your device. And then you can see you can import tasks, documents, channels, people from any one of these apps. So whichever one you click on, go ahead, say for example Asana, click on this. It'll take you to a page where you can actually sign in with that account. So for example, this time it'll be Asana. You're going to grant permissions. Go ahead and say allow. And now you'll connect these two accounts and be able to pull in data from Asana, perhaps, or any other one of the app's connections that you saw over here. So here you'll choose your workspace. You'll go through the prompts of choosing the exact workspace and account and the data that you'd like to import. So there's two ways of importing data into ClickUp.